In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate on PowerPoint. Animating on PowerPoint is a fantastic way to make your presentations more engaging and visually appealing. Whether you're looking to add a bit of flair to your slides or you want to convey your messages more dynamically, mastering animation on PowerPoint is an essential skill. Let's dive into the process. First things first, you need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. This might seem straightforward, but it's the foundation upon which all your animation work will be built. Once you have PowerPoint open, you're ready to begin the journey of bringing your presentations to life. The next step involves opening your file from the opening screen. This is where all your recent files and templates can be found. If you've worked on a presentation recently, it should appear in the list of recent documents. If this is a new project, you can select a template that suits your presentation's theme or start with a clean slate. Once your file is open, it's time to decide which elements you'd like to animate. PowerPoint is incredibly flexible, allowing you to animate text, images, shapes, and even charts. Click on the element you wish to animate. This could be anything from a title or bullet point to a graphic that you want to draw attention to. Clicking precisely on the element ensures it's selected and ready for animation. After selecting your element, it's time to introduce yourself to the Animations tab. Located on the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint interface, the Animations tab is your gateway to making your presentations dynamic. Click on this tab and you'll be presented with a variety of animation options. These options range from subtle to bold, each providing different effects like fading in, flying in, floating up, and more. Now for the most exciting part, choosing your animation. With your element selected and the Animations tab open, you'll see a gallery of animation styles to choose from. Hovering over each option will give you a preview of what the animation looks like. Take your time experimenting with different animations to see which one complements your presentation's style and message. When you find one that fits, simply click on it to apply it to your selected element. But the customization doesn't end there. After choosing an animation, you'll notice that additional options become available. These include adjusting the start timing of the animation, such as whether the animation occurs on a click with the previous animation or after the previous. You can also control the duration and delay of the animation, making it as quick or as drawn out as you wish. This level of control is crucial for timing your animations perfectly with your presentation's flow. The Animations tab also offers more advanced features, like adding multiple animations to a single object for a compounded effect, or using the animation pane to manage all your animations. The animation pane in particular is a powerful tool for viewing and reordering animations, changing timing options, and even removing animations that don't work as intended. As you become more comfortable with animating on PowerPoint, you'll find that these tools and features can transform a standard presentation into an engaging storytelling device. Animation can highlight key points, direct your audience's attention, or simply add a touch of creativity to your slides. Remember, the key to effective animation is subtlety and purpose. Every animation you add should serve a clear purpose, whether it's to emphasize a point or to make transitions smoother. Overusing animation can be distracting, so be thoughtful in your choices and aim for animations that enhance rather than detract from your message. To wrap up, animating on PowerPoint is an invaluable skill that can bring your presentations to life. By following these simple steps, opening your file, selecting your element, navigating to the Animations tab, choosing and customizing your animation, you're well on your way to creating dynamic and engaging presentations. Experiment with different animations, play with timing and effects, and most importantly, have fun with the process. With practice, you'll find that animation can be a powerful tool in capturing and keeping your audience's attention. And that's how you animate on PowerPoint. Thank you for joining me today. With these skills in your toolkit, your presentations are sure to stand out. Happy animating!